This is his first meal with us.
Hi, cutie.
It just like flopping its head anywhere.
It's little.
What'd you say? What do you say, Zen? I think he's just camera shy. See it? Yeah, we're definitely going to leave the ears alone. Come on, do some whining again. Come on.
Get him. Wait, let her pull her hair some more. That was fun.
Oh, he's grabbing at the roots. Hi. Yeah, thank God I'm washing my hair today. I don't like puppy breath with mix of hair. This is not good.
Oh, it smells good.
This feels very weird. I've never had a dog do this.
I've never seen a dog do this. Yeah, it happens to me all the time, actually.
Hi, you're scratching my head. It's a massage. Ow. That really hurt. Ow.
I
Stop! Stop. Get toward the ends of my hair, not the top. Okay.
jealous, jealous puppies. Oh, jealous. Oh, jealous. Yep, there's a little bandito.
Is he peeing?
No!